After being grounded for almost 2 months due to the COVID-19 pandemic, domestic flights are set to resume operations in a gradual manner from May 25, 2020. Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri had on Wednesday said that domestic flight operations will recommence in a calibrated manner, and SOPs for passenger movement are also being issued separately by the Ministry of Civil Aviation. Flights will now operate to all major cities, including the ones in red zones such as Mumbai, Delhi, Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, after their respective state governments have given the green light. While bookings for domestic flights have already begun, the suspension on international flights, which has been in place since March 22nd, will continue. With an aim to maintain minimum contact between flyers and airport staff, the Ministry of Civil Aviation has released a detailed set of standard operating procedure guidelines for passenger movement. There will be constant surveillance of social distance, and newspapers and magazines inside the terminal will be prohibited. There will be constant surveillance of social distance, and newspapers and magazines inside the terminal will be prohibited. Apart from fumigating commercial service outlets and queuing areas in the airports, mats or carpets soaked with bleach will be placed at entrances to disinfect shoes. The SOP also calls for usage of open-air ventilation wherever possible instead of central air conditioning. Let's take a look at some additional travel guidelines you need to know. Only web check-in will be allowed, so passengers will have to print their boarding passes and check-in baggage tag at home. Only personal vehicles and authorized taxi services will be permitted to enter the airport. Passengers will have to arrive 2 hours before departure to maintain social distance at every level. Only passengers with a departure in the next 4 hours will be allowed to enter the terminal. The use of trolleys will be discouraged at the departure and arrival areas. However, select passengers with genuine reasons will be given a trolley on request basis. Mandatory use of face masks and personal protective equipment, thermal screening on departure and arrival. Boarding will be done in batches as per seating arrangements. In-flight services will be curtailed on low-cost airlines, and only packed meals will be given by full-service airlines. All passengers must compulsorily register with the Arogya Setu app. The airport staff at the gate will verify the same. The app is not mandatory for children below the age of 14 years. Flyers will also have to fill a questionnaire about their history related to COVID-19 and quarantine. Any passenger who has undergone quarantine in the last month will be sent for security checks at an isolated unit in the airport. The grounding of operations due to the coronavirus lockdown has hurt the aviation industry dearly. According to the ICRA, the aviation industry may require funding of up to Rs 35,000 crore till 2022 and 2023, as profitability will take a hit due to sharp fall in revenues and higher fixed costs during lockdown period. Thank you for watching this report. For more such videos, stay tuned to Asianet Newsable.